Mario, let me do this one again. Let me do this one again.
No.
What? Oh, that's the loud one. That's the loud one.
Son, get your torch.
Get up. One of the kids get them. Torch.
I don't like these fire. I'm gonna.
Okay, light them up then. Burn them up.
Did you take video of mine?
Which one?
The loud one.
No, I didn't.
Big boom.
Yeah,
big boom.
the chicken one.
In my ears.
I like fireworks. It's my favorite.
It's your favorite.
I gotta save them. I don't think I should pop anymore. I love fireworks, man. It's my favorite.
Your favorite? You're like a pyro.
Ariel.
I'm a loud pirate. I dream about fireworks.